Alright, we're back. We are looking at a LiftMaster Model 1160 LM from January of 1992. This has a yellow learn button and 4 terminals on the logic board. So this is a pre-billion code unit, being that it's an 1100 series machine. I pulled this out of a dumpster 8 to 10 years ago, about the same era I did the Chamberlain in that I showed last night, the 5100. Got a little patina on it, not too bad though. End panels are mint, no melting. Trying to get that, there's the yellow learn button. White 4 styles that are longer, as the old boards had on them. Different labeling too. Notice there's no date on there, so that was kind of unique. This would have been a dip switch machine, 9-position trinary, 61 LM remote control. There's your front label. Also notice end panel is a little different. The warning label is engraved into the plastic rather than a decal. Believed to be the same case design as a 1260 LM. Haven't compared them side by side, but I don't know that for sure. Old style gear kit. Had the same sprocket cover that I showed on the red and black Sears. It's sentimental to me. Original sprocketing gear, by the way. This is 34 years old, so anybody who wants to complain about the nylon gears in these, if they're maintained properly, they do last. Limit side. So yeah, very good machine. I do not have a 61 LM present right now. I do have a few of them. I don't have a 56 LM present right now. The only 56 LM I have is with that brand new 1160 LM, which is not this one, obviously. That's stowed away in the box. So we're gonna run it using the beautiful new old stock 66 LM keypad. So let me run it. This unit doesn't need sensors, so I don't have to hold enter. Very nice machine, very well built machine, still running strong. This also would have been made from 1990 to 1992, I believe. I think the 1060s might have been around in 90 as well. Kind of a gray area there. These units would have came with a yellow, a white, or a gray learn button, and then the Dash 4, which was a very rare version of this, some of us have shown, which is technically a billion code unit, but it didn't require sensors, would have came with a round green learn button. That was a late 1992 thing, so this was prior to that, to my knowledge. Anyway, same one-piece T-rail. Yeah, great machine. Love it. Just serviced it and restored it, pulled it from storage, so I thought I'd get a video of it for you. Have a good one.